Hi students, some objective questions from the periodic classification. The first question is longest and shortest periods in the periodic table. Means which period contain more number of elements and less number of elements. So remember the periodic table periods concept. First period contain only 2 elements. It is said to be shortest period. And the sixth period contain 32 elements. That is considered the longest period. So the answer is what? Longest period is 6. Shortest period is 1. Correct answer is 3. Now, question number 2. Elements of vertical groups. Elements of vertical groups have what? Same atomic number. Vertical group means one group. Same atomic number, same electronic configuration, same number of valency electrons, same number of core electrons. Whatever elements present in one group, they have same number of valency electrons. So answer is 3. Next question. Which of the following pair of atomic number represents element belong to the same group? Remember the concept of finding atomic number. 11 plus 8 or 18, it's wrong, first one. 12 plus 30th element is zinc, absolutely magnesium and zinc not belong to same group. 13 and 31. 13 and 31. 13th element atomic number is, 13th element is aluminium. You add 18, you will get the 31. So the correct answer is here only. And 14 and 13. 14 is silicon, 33 is phosphorus. This is 13th one is aluminium, 31 is gallium. So the correct answer is third one. Next. Your familiar question, the total number of gaseous elements are what? 11. They are what? 6 are inert gases only, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and leftover gaseous elements are diatomic. They are H2, N2, O2, F2, Cl2. And question number 5. The representative elements get the nearest inert gas configuration. And remember the concept, except 0 group, leftover S and P block elements are called representative elements. So the representative elements gets the nearest inert gas configuration by losing electron, by gaining electron, by sharing electron, by losing or gaining or sharing. Representative elements means S block and P block except 0 group. S block elements usually losing electron. P block elements sharing electrons. And most active non-metal 7th group, 6th group can gain electrons. So the correct option is losing or gaining or sharing, getting their nearest inert gas configuration. Now, lanthanum belong to which block? S block, P block, D block, A block. Here some of the candidates getting confusion. Lanthanum is a D block. Lanthanum after 14 elements are called lanthanides. Lanthanum atomic number is 57. 58 to 71 are what? 4F series A block elements. So lanthanum belongs to which block? D block. Next question. Most of the non-metals are present in the long form of the periodic table. Most of the S block elements, D block elements, F block elements are metals. The block which contain all the non-metals, all the metalloids, very few metals present in P block. Next question. Which is not a transition element? Remember the concept, Usually D block elements are called transition elements. But all the D block elements are not transition elements, but all the transition elements are D block elements. In 3D series, last element is zinc having configuration 3D10. 4D series, cadmium having outermost configuration 4D10. 5D series, mercury 5D10 configuration. So zinc, cadmium, mercury, D is completely filled. They are considered as a D block but not transition elements. So the option zinc, cadmium, mercury, all the above, which is not a transition metal. These three are what? Not transition metal, and correct answer is all the above. And keep in your mind, second B group elements are considered as a D block but not transition elements. Next question. This is well noted concept. Largest ion among the following: O minus, O minus 2, S minus, S minus 2. First of all, O belongs to second period, S belongs to third period. So you can eliminate O and O minus 2. And coming to the S and S minus 2, greater negative charge one is larger size. So here is S minus 2 is called sulfide ion. Next one, the maximum tendency to form unipositive ion is for the element with the configuration. By seeing configuration, which of the following easily loses electron or unipositive ion? Here given option, simply losing one electron is first one only, 3s1 configuration. Answer is first one. Next one, the differentiating electron of lanthanides enter into what? Lanthanides. Lanthanum after 14 elements are called lanthanides. Lanthanum after 14 elements are called lanthanides. So the differentiating electron of lanthanides what? 4f series. Next question. Which of the following is lightest metal? The first metal is considered the lightest metal. First metal is what? Lithium, hydrogen, helium, lithium. Lithium is the lightest metal. Lightest element is hydrogen, but lightest metal is what? Lithium. And which period contain solid, liquid, gaseous elements? Three types of physical state containing period is what? Second period. If you are taking second period elements, starting with lithium, ending with neon. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. And coming to the third period, starts with sodium, ending with argon. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Coming to the fourth period, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Okay. And coming to right side, P block, gallium, fourth group, tin, fifth group, arsenic. Okay. Sixth group, selenium, seventh group, bromine, zero group, krypton. So all types of elements, liquid, solid, gaseous elements contain which period? Correct answer is what? Fourth period, because liquid element is bromine. Okay na? So correct option is what? Fourth period. In which block of the periodic table liquid non-metal? Simply you can find liquid non-metal only one element, that is bromine. Bromine belong to seventh group. Seventh group elements are called halogens. They belong to P block. Okay na? Thank you.